So check it now.
Okay, I'm checking. Give me 1 minute.
Pandu,
Yep.
this is JK.
Yeah, JK.
Uh, ఇప్పుడు సారీ ఫర్
Earlier, అడగండి.
ఫర్
తెలుగులో అడగండి, no issues.
for example, your manager has been giving the some task to you. I need this particular field and particular column in this table.
Yeah.
So could you please show the what type of manager are giving task to you?
You asking real time scenarios, huh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Real time scenarios don't ask now. I will
Okay,
show you after completion of everything. I will show things because see whatever you are asking the rest, my manager didn't give me right now.
okay,
See, task means regarding the fields adding, that is not a small task, okay?
okay,
Regarding development work, so many topics will be there involving in the task.
okay,
So up to complete only update sets, okay? Up to update sets. Next coming to scripting is there, ACLs is there, so many topics is there. Once I develop once my course is completed, our course is completed, then I will show you the real time scenarios.
okay, okay, Pandu.
How the work will be there, how the task will be assigned to me. So how can I involving will be there? Everything I will show you.
Okay, okay,
Okay, right now I will show. Right now I will show you a task. Okay, so this is the task. I read the scripting means you didn't understand definitely.
okay, okay. Thank you,
Once
Pandu.
I yeah, once we completed the course, then we will start the. I will explain you how the task is everything. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now coming to one more important topic: update sets. Okay. It is nothing but I'm sharing my screen. Concept update set is a group of customization. We can moving the update set from one instance to other instance. So main the thing is in our organization, whenever we are working the Servicenow project, Servicenow Technology, so these type of instances, minimum 4 instances are there. Minimum 4. Okay. So what are those instances means?
Developers, testing.
I created. So there are nearly 4 instances are there. First, dev instance means developing instance. Next, test instance. Next, UAT instance. Next, prod instance. Prod is nothing but the production instance. Okay. So first, whatever work, any small adding the field or you can writing the scripts or anything. First, we need to start the activity on the dev instance. Any work, creation of users or moving the users, any work, we need to start the work in the dev instance. Okay. If everything is completed, so our requirement is completed, then the requirement moves test instance. Here, the tester will test the functionality from end to end. Okay. If the testing is fine, okay, the testing is successfully is completed. So nothing errors, nothing bugs, and I didn't find out the testers. Then the activity moved to the UAT instance. Okay. UAT is nothing but the user acceptance testing. Okay. User acceptance testing is nothing but the customer who gave the requirement, means client gave the requirement. We need that guy will accept that activity. Okay. If he satisfied, then finally you can move to the production instance. Okay. Production is the client instance, means overall all the end users are using the production instance only. Okay. So how can we move from the data from one instance to another instance? Means through the update set. Okay. First, whatever work we are working. Okay. Whatever work we are working. First thing is we need to create the update set. You work on the UI policy, you work on the notification, you work on the tables, you work on the dictionaries, you are creating the fields, anything. Writing the scripts, anything. First thing is we need to create the update set. Okay, then you can start the work. Whatever work we are working, the total will be the work will be captured in the update set. Once our work is completed, we want to do the unit testing. Unit testing means nothing but the self level. Okay, self testing we need to do. That is the thing we can call as the unit testing. Unit testing can be do the developers. The developers who are testing, that testing we can call as a unit testing. Okay, so once the unit testing is done completed, if everything is working fine, then the update set will move to the test instance. Okay, so whatever the data will be captured in the update set, the data will be everything is moved to test instance. Then finally you can move to the UAT. If UAT is done, you can move to the production. By using update set, the data is moving from one instance to the other instance. That is thing you can call as the update sets. Main thing. So here update sets, what are the data will be captured, what are the data will not be captured. So data will not be captured means creation of the records. Suppose I create the users. User records will not be captured. Groups will not be captured. Incident records will not be captured. Record-based things will not be captured. Whatever record I created the custom record, I created the incident record, I created the problem record, anything records will not be captured. Only table-based things are captured. Table-based things means, see, I'm creating one of the field. The field is running on particular table. Okay, UI policy is running on the table, notification running on the table, SLA is running on the table. So particular table-based things, everything will be captured. Record-based things will not be captured here. Okay, so records, mainly record-based things, records will not be captured. First, we create the update set, then we can move it. Type left name is update sets. Under system update sets, click on under local update sets, click on here. Click as a new. So here we will give the update set name. So what is the update set name we are giving? Okay, suppose you are working on the incident means you can give the incident number, the ticket number, which ticket you are working on. Or you are working on the problem means you give the problem number. You are working on a story means. So mainly the requirements comes from the story only. Whatever you want to develop, the development comes from the story. We are using the story module. Example I'm giving. 000 1 2 3 4 hyphen. Okay, so my requirement is I need to create a new table. Okay, for the table I need to design some of the fields. That fields I need to make as a mandatory or something. That is my requirement. Example, assume that. Okay, just you can create the table and configuration of ICICI. So ICICI, the name of ICICI is there. Yeah, not there. ICICI form something. You can give underscore. I'm giving the PK. Okay, PK is not as a Pawan Kalyan. It's a my name is Pandu Ranga. K is my initial. Okay. Here, anybody fans are there for PK? Oh, you didn't watch any movies, huh?
We do watch fun.
Okay, good. Movies is the best thing. Definitely, you need to watch for every week.
Stress busters.
Yeah, stress busters, exactly. In social media memes, YouTube shorts, movies, these are the stress busters.
Yes.
Okay, so not only a chatting with a girlfriend. Okay, so many things are there for stress busters. Okay, click on submit and make current. Okay, so there are two options. The submit is there, submit and make current is there. When we submit means the update set will be saved. When you click on submit and make current means the update set is attached in this instance. So where can we see that the update set is attached in this instance? Go for settings here. Go for developer. See here update set is there. Application, the update set is there. See here. This is the update set is attached here. Okay. Show update set in picker header. Show update set picker in header. So when we enable this one means the update set is shown in the header. See, update set is there here. Okay. Now you can go and start my development activity. So my requirement is I will create one table. I design some of the things. Okay. So I am opening the other instance in another browser. Assume that this is my test instance. I think Utah version is there, but it's currently it's a waiting list. Please wait for some more days, like 2 to 3 days, or you can wait for 1 week. Then you can upgrade your instance. I will show you how the upgrade instance. Don't create another new instance. This instance only can upgrade to another version.
Instance.
Yes, I will show you. How can we upgrade the instance? New version.
Okay.
The new version. Currently, all the people are using the Tokyo, right? Tokyo to new version, Utah came here. Okay. So how can we upgrade Utah? I will tell you. But these are personal instance. We can do them manually. But when you come into the company instance, service of people will do that one. We need to raise one request. Okay. So they will give some time period.
Okay. Okay, Pandu. Thank you.
By mistake, yes, bro. Chestam alla.
Pandu,
Okay. Yes.
ServiceNow people means who can do it?
Direct service now. Service now company.
Okay, company.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. I open another instance. Let's start our activity. Okay. I came into my dev instance. This is my test instance. Okay. So assume that. Okay. Just see. Not only the whatever I'm creating, that only will not be captured update. Everything will be captured updates except some records. Except records will not capture everything. Part of that, everything will be captured in every concept. Just for testing purpose, just I choose one topic. Okay, so just I'm giving as a ICICI loan form. Just okay. So extensible. Enable the auto number. Just you can submit it. Now we will design some of the fields. Okay, so refresh the form. ICICI loan forms. Click as a new. Okay, see here I need to design the fields here. Okay, so right click, configure, form layout. Just first name, add it, last name,
Pandu,
yes,
what's
add
the
it.
difference between farm layout and farm field?
Form field is where it is there, form field. Form
Everything.
design is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Form design means we can see able to see all the fields.
Okay,
If you want to remove means from form design also you can remove the fields. But
okay,
that is not the correct way to remove the fields through the form design.
okay.
Okay, so just manager, you can go for the just I'm creating some normal table. Okay, just 2 to 3 fields. Due date, date time, end split. Close it. Okay. See, this fields I created. Okay. Now my requirement is I need the due date as a mandatory. Okay. So how can you make field as a mandatory? Through UI policy, I need to create the field as a mandatory. Okay. How can you process? I think Shivanarayana Prasad will explain. Through the UI policy, I need to create a field as a mandatory. So how can we go through the UI policy? Shivanarayan, waiting for you. Please tell me how can you create the how can you fill this field as a mandatory to the UI policy?
So the whichever the field which we need to made it as mandatory, go to that field name. For
No, I
example,
need a UI policy, not as a dictionary. I need through the UI policy. Tell me the process. Okay. 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 Exactly. Okay.
New.
1 second. This instance is done. Better. Let's see. Open. So this is my test instance. Okay, yeah. Tell me now. New. And I'm giving the short description. Due date as mandatory. Okay. What about next?
Submit.
Submit or save? Sub means you go for the previous page. You can go for the save. Save means it will remain the same page.
Same. Scroll down.
Okay.
UI actions. New.
Okay.
That field name. We have to enter here.
Due date.
Good. Mandatory. True. Submit.
Submit.
If any conditions is there, we will enter conditions also.
See, the field as a mandatory. Okay, just you can submit 1, 2 or 3 more records. Let's test it.
Why you are not giving any conditions? Why you are not giving any conditions?
Just my requirement that says my client nothing conditions will be there here.
Okay.
Okay, just you can create the one form. Just I need this field as a mandatory. That's it. They give us these 4 fields. Create the form. The name should be ICC loan form. Design these 4 fields and do it as a mandatory. That is my requirement.
Okay.
So they will give conditions. We can give the conditions. Okay, just for testing purpose, I created the 2 records. Now open my update set. Go the update sets. Click on the local update sets. This is my update set, right? Open this one. Okay. See, come down. See, customer update set. See, 31 records are captured here. See, records are captured. Everything is captured here. See, fine. See, everything is captured. Your policy, form layout, your policy actions. Okay, and creating these fields. Okay, go to the dictionaries. Automatic dictionary is created. First name, last name, manager, number. See, field label. Everything is created here. Now, what can you do means, so like this also you can update set. Here is there update set is there right here. So just click on here, view current update set. See, automatically open the current update set. Now what happened means, so just go for in progress, click on complete. So right now in progress is there, complete there. Suppose if you do not move to this update set to another instance means just click and ignore. Ignore means doesn't will touch this update set. Okay. If you want to move this update set to definitely another instance means click on complete. Save it.
Pandu, a
Yes.
small note. Once we update the state to complete or ignore, then whatever work we do after this, giving the state to complete or ignore, that will not capture in this set, right?
Sorry.
After changing the state to complete or ignore, then after we have done one more story, let's assume, that will not capture in this update set, right?
No, every story must and should we need to create that update set. Suppose you will deal, you will give some complete something means, see, complete ignorant definitely here, automatic update move to the default level. Now everything will be captured in this default update set.
Okay.
Okay. So default update set is there. Everything is captured. If you want to create the new update set and click on submit and make it, then the update set will be attached here. Okay. After complete this complete or ignore, okay. So the update set will not be shown here. Means will not be captured here in this instance. Only default update set is there. Everything will be captured in default update set. Once you selected the particular update set, then only the data will be captured in that update set.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Once you put the status complete, then coming to related link, see export to XML is there. Click on this export to XML. Means the total customer update set capture data will be there stored in the XML file. See, these are the XML file. This total XML we need to move to the test environment. See, the data, every data will be captured in this update set. Okay. Now open this instance. Okay. Okay. So open the test instance. Okay. Now type left another retrieved update sets. Retrieved update set. See, just click on retrieved. Click on retrieve update sets. Okay. Now what happened, right? Here data link is there. Import update set from XML. Okay, you can import this XML. You can click on the here, or you can choose any column. Any column, import XML. Click on here, import XML. Okay, you can click on here. From here and here also you can import that XML. See, you can choose file or open any column, import XML. See, now you can upload, download XML. See, choose it. Now open this update set. State is loaded is there. Okay. Check that all things will be captured or not. See, okay. Now click on preview update set. Close it. Okay, click on preview update set. Okay, so preview update set means any errors is there, it can shown here. Okay, you can accept the errors. Accept skip is there. If you want to accept, you can accept one. Skip is there. Skip that one. So here the option will become action server. Error is there means here nothing errors is there. Then click on commit update set. First you can click on preview update set. Okay, once preview is completed, then click on commit update set. Close it. Once everything is committed here, see, I said loan forms. Open here. See, records are not captured here. I created 2 records. So records will not be captured in the update set. Remember this point, everyone.
Okay, Pandu.
Okay, records should not be captured. Only table-based things are captured. Table-based things, I created UI policy running on the table. See, due date is mandatory. You can check that our UI policy. Okay, so right click, configure, and go for UI policies. See, everything is there here. See, see, see. Okay, everything is captured. Anything except the records.
Yes.
Not only this table, you can create the user records or group records, everything. Suppose records also need to move here. Assume that records also need to move here. Any record. Okay, so suppose I created this record, right? So this record, suppose 1004 record, I need to move this record to that instance, this record data. So nothing. Just open that record, right click here, export is there. Click on the export XML. There import. That's it. Now open here. Okay. So open this ICICI loan forms. So which record we need to open? So open that table. Okay. Choose any column. Import XML. Choose file. This is the 938. Mean this is the recent one. See, the record is exported here. Like this, you want to import record means like this way. You open this record. That record you can move to the XML. The XML here you need to move here. Okay. This is the way through the update set we are moving the data from one instance to another instance. Okay. Any doubts are up to here? Fine.
Pandu, we are doing here a retrieve update set, right?
Yeah.
In left navigation.
Yeah.
Can we do it via load data? Like creating transfer map?
No. Load data is different. Load data means that is total external data.
Okay.
You can You can see the data, we can save the data in the Excel sheet. That Excel sheet you can move to Servicenow, then you can give a transform. There is some different story.
Only external data will upload to
Exactly.
load data.
Exactly. Moving the update sets. Okay. So if any doubts are there? Any
No
doubts?
problem.
Okay. No?
No problem. It's clear.
Yeah. So like this is moving the update set. This is the update set concept. Okay. Suppose if you want to move multiple update sets. Right now, one update set is fine. I need to move the multiple update sets. How can I move? So suppose in your team 5 members are there. Okay. So we are following some process wise. So all the 5 members update sets needs to move the test environment at a time. Okay. So one people will collect that update set. Okay, assume that the business analyst is there, BA is there. So you need to send all the XMLs to the BA. So all the XMLs all the update sets move to the at a time. Suppose 10 update sets or 20 update sets. You need to move test environment wins. So every time we can go for the retrieve update set, we can one update set it is uploaded. That is not a correct way. It's a time taken process. I need a single shot. 3 or 4 update sets or 5, 10 update, 20 update sets I need to move at a time. Okay, that time we can use the merge update sets concept. Okay, first I will go for the same form. I will create one new update set. Just can give some 5. New field added. Okay, so new field added in the ICSI form. Okay, just this is my new update set. Submit the update set will be saved. Submit and make the update set will be attached. See here, the update set will be attached now. See, update set is attached here. See, update set for now I'm creating the one new field. Click as a new. Can create the new field. Okay. Just you can create as a location I'm creating, and type should be list is there. Okay, and locations are stored in CMN underscore location. Okay, add it. Can go save it. Close it. Okay, so now I added a new field. That is one thing. All the locations are there. Okay, fine. And I'm going this update set. Close this update set. Okay, now I didn't download the XML file now. Okay, I will download later. Okay, again I got somebody will be working on this requirement. Again I got the new requirement. So again I need to add one more field. Again I will create the after 2 or 3 days. Again I will create the new update set for this. Or I need some default value here. Something. Okay, so my requirement is here I need to populate the login username. The manager I need to populate the login username. So anybody will be tell how can you populate the login username in the manager field?
Okay, I'll try.
Through UI pulses.
UI pulse, how can you populate, man? I need to populate the login user. Click on submit my current. See, login, right now login user means system administrator is there. So this system administrator name, whenever I open the new form, automatically I need to populate here. So how can you do it? This one. Okay, I create the update set. Okay, under the update set. Okay, so right click, go to configure dictionary. So anybody will be tell that how can you populate login username? I already told you whenever I enter the dictionary, I explain you. Don't know? Here we have syntax, right?
Update value.
JavaScript : gs dot get user ID. Forgot this one. By using this syntax, we can populate the logged in username. See, this login username populate. You can open any new form. ICICI. See? This is my another requirement. Okay, I create the story. Okay, this is one. Open the story once. Let's see. Yeah. By using dictionary, this one is captured here. This is captured. Now again, you can close this one. Now, how can we move the multiple update sets single time? Means now open the merge update sets. Here merge completed sets is there. Means completed update sets, you can open it here. Merge updates complete means all the updates what are completed here, it will be there. Okay, now what can I do means first you can filter one here one. Okay, so state is complete and here you can give the name is one off. Okay, you can select how many update sets you need to merge. Okay, merge means combine. Okay, so that update you can select. So I need to merge these two update sets 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 6. Okay, copy this one, double click, copy, and second one, copy, run it. See, only these two update sets will be there. Now click on merge. Okay. Okay, this one merger set is there. Open this one. If you want to change the name means you can change it. ICICI enhancements. Loan form enhancements. Okay, now save it. See here, two updates data will be there. See, merge these two updates is there here. See, now we can complete it. Save it. Come down. Click on this export to XML. Okay, this XML we can move to the another instance. Open this my instance. Go for the retrieve update sets. Open it and choose any column. Import XML. Choose it. Select this one. That's it. Open. Preview update sets. Close it. Commit update set. Close it. That's it. See, all that two update sets will be captured here. Okay. Now I say open ICICI form, loan forms, and click as a new. See, a new field is added location. See, this is auto populated. Okay, like this way, by using merge updates, you can move the multiple updates at a time. Okay, this is the concept of updates. Any doubts are there up to here?
Pandu, hello.
Yeah.
Every time if we add one field here, we have to create a new update, right?
Yes. Every time. See, not only every time, based on your requirement. Okay. Suppose you completed this form designing everything. Okay. After few days, after 1 month or 2 months, again client asks some enhancements, some changes here.
Okay.
They create one story for you. So definitely you need to create update set.
Already we have created one update set, right? We can't
That is
store
completed,
that.
right? That is completed. You can move to the XML here.
Oh.
Once we mark the update set as a complete here, this update set time is finished. Again, no, you don't change this again to in progress. Again, no need to work this one. You need to create new update set only.
Okay. Then we have to match.
Yeah, definitely you can go for again in progress, and you can say again you work on means definitely it can throw some errors. Okay. Suppose if you done the one requirement, again client asks no need that requirement, you can back out the changes. All changes you need to back out. Just click on back out. When you click on the back out means all the changes will be removed. Okay. So this is the process updated, guys. So please be practice it. Tomorrow we will discuss the concept of ACLs. Only 3 topics is there in admin. Okay. So these 3 topics, 3 days will be there. So admin will be completed.
Back out in the sense only that is stored in this update set. That only that changes.
That changes will be back out.
Revert. Okay.
Revert back exactly. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Hey,
Okay.
Pandu.
Yeah.
I haven't received that email yet, sir. I've been receiving emails, but I'm not receiving yours for some reason.
Which one?
The recording from Friday.
I already sent. See, 1 second. Here only is there. See, 2 times I sent you. This is the correct one. handai070@gmail.com.
That is correct.
Go for spam and check it once.
Yeah, let me check my spam. Because I'm receiving other emails. I just received another email like about 20 minutes ago, but nothing from you for some reason.
Okay, check it once. Spam, check it. See, I sent it 2 times.
Yeah, let me check my spam.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not in my spam either. Let me check other folders.
Fine.
Hang on.
Fine.
Okay, I tell you what, I'm gonna sleep on it tonight, and I'll check my email again tomorrow morning. Hopefully, I'll get it by then. If not, then I'll just go ahead and ping you.
You can ping me once it is not done. So definitely.